The human brain is among the smartest on the planet, yet there are concepts we struggle to comprehend, like paradoxes. We've evolved to perceive reality in a specific way, but paradoxes suggest that reality might not operate the way we believe it does. Recently, physicists claim to have resolved a 50-year-old paradox, but have they truly done so? What about other strange paradoxes that challenge our understanding? Get ready as we explore these mysteries. You may already be familiar with the Fermi Paradox. Named after Italian physicist Enrico Fermi, known for creating the first nuclear reactor, this paradox asks, where are the aliens? Given that our star and Earth belong to a relatively young planetary system compared to the rest of the universe, and assuming that interstellar travel is achievable, one might expect extraterrestrial civilizations to have visited us by now. Some argue it's not a true paradox, as intelligent life beyond Earth remains speculative. However, the Drake equation is often used to estimate the number of civilizations in our galaxy. This equation uses 7 variables to calculate the number of detectable civilizations within the Milky Way. While speculative, it suggests there could be millions of Earth-like worlds harboring intelligent life. Back in 1961, we had no evidence of planets orbiting stars beyond our own. Today, the picture is much clearer. In 2020, astronomers using data from the Kepler Space Telescope concluded that over 300 million planets in the Milky Way could have conditions similar to Earth. Around half of the galaxy's sun-like stars likely host rocky planets within habitable zones, where liquid water could exist. In fact, planets are so common that they outnumber the stars. The James Webb Space Telescope is looking for more potentially habitable worlds as we speak, opening new possibilities. But despite these findings, the universe remains silent. Why haven't we detected other advanced civilizations? Perhaps technological advancements will soon reveal the answer. Or maybe extraterrestrial life has already visited Earth without our knowledge. Unexplained UFO sightings continue to fuel speculation. Solid proof of such visits could resolve this paradox once and for all. The Bootstrap Paradox. The Bootstrap Paradox revolves around time travel, questioning how something taken from the future and placed in the past could exist in the first place. This idea frequently appears in science fiction. Imagine you're a time traveler. Before embarking on your adventure, you purchase a copy of Hamlet from a bookstore. You then travel back in time to Shakespeare's era and give him the book. He transcribes it, claiming it as his work. Over centuries, copies are reproduced until one ends up in the same bookstore where you initially bought it. So, who actually wrote Hamlet? Another famous time travel paradox is the Grandfather Paradox, where you travel back in time and erase your grandfather's existence. This action would prevent your own birth, making it impossible for you to travel back in the first place. In this scenario, your entire existence is erased. Family, possessions, history, all gone. Some scientists propose that such an event might create an alternate timeline or a parallel universe instead. A variant of the Grandfather Paradox involves traveling back in time to stop World War II by eliminating Adolf Hitler. While this may seem straightforward, it raises intriguing consequences. If your actions prevent the war, they also erase the reason for traveling back in time, creating a paradox. This could spawn alternate timelines, some possibly worse than the original. Physicist Joseph Polchinski proposed a paradox involving a billiard ball and a wormhole. The billiard ball enters a wormhole, emerging in the past and colliding with its earlier self, knocking it off course and preventing it from ever entering the wormhole. However, solutions suggest that the ball might instead strike itself at a different angle, creating a consistent trajectory that avoids paradoxes. The observer's paradox is another strange phenomenon, rooted in quantum mechanics. Schrödinger's famous thought experiment features a cat that is simultaneously alive and deceased until observed. This highlights how observation changes outcomes. One of the biggest paradoxes in physics involves black holes and the nature of information. Quantum mechanics suggests information can never be destroyed, yet black holes appear to erase all details of what they consume. Recent theories propose that information may escape black holes through Hawking radiation, encoded on a quantum extremal surface within the event horizon. While the debate continues, physicists are making strides toward unraveling this puzzle.